Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to replace this Intermatic classic analog sprinkler controller with a high-tech Wi-Fi unit. First thing we're going to do is disconnect all power from the timer, and conveniently the power module is right here. Alright, upon disconnecting the main power, what we're doing right now is untethering all the little lines connected to the timer and the transformer inside the weather box. Now throughout this entire shoot, my buddy and I were chatting the whole time, so this is probably not the most efficient job ever, but it should get the message across. What we're doing right now is I'm explaining the differences in the transformer and how it could be used when you connect different wires. Right now I am trying to remove the timer, where you press the tab towards the top of the box and you should be able to slide it out at an angle, but something got jammed. So while trying to unjam the timer, my buddy broke out his universal socket thingy and he was showing it off. So there, the timer is off and we are disconnecting the wires, removing the wire nuts. Now with the timer out of the way, we proceed to remove the transformer. So on the right hand side you'll see the power coming in at 120 volts, and on the left you'll see the 24 volt control wire for the solenoid valve. Now here I'm just straightening out the wires so I could pull them out of the box and put them into the new box more easily. Because my buddy wanted to hardwire the new sprinkler instead of plugging it into an outlet. So we had to improvise. Right now I'm just removing the box and doing a test fit of the new box to make sure everything will work out. And in the process I'm explaining the cutouts at the bottom of the hole and having a bit of trouble. The perforation on these cutouts weren't very well done, so it took me longer than I would have liked to get these out of the way. Now I intend to release a extended version of this video because I think there was some very valid points raised during the shoot of this video shoot, because my buddy kept asking me questions that he believed the audience may be interested in. Coupled with the fact that this was played at 4 times the shoot speed, I was afraid that something could be missed. Over here we've mounted the box. We bypassed the mounting part because that really didn't have much to do with the actual installation. Now here we're threading the input power, the 120, into the new box, along with the low voltage 24 volt solenoid valve connector. Now once everything was threaded back into the new box, I got paranoid about the actual input, so I capped the lines and then turned the breaker box back on to do another test before sealing the fate of these wires. Upon confirmation of the hot lead, the neutral, and the ground, we proceeded to cut the cable on the new control box and splice the wires together, the old with the new. So this is a standard routine splicing. We have a video on splicing. If you go and look through the channels, I only have a couple of videos. You'll probably find it if you don't know how to splice wire. In the midst of splicing the wires, I decided I needed more wires to work more easily in the box, so that's what's happening right now. trying to remove more insulation off the main jacket so I can have more room to work with the existing wires. Now, as a quick note, you're gonna have 3 wires, a black, white, and a green, and you just match up the black with the red and the white with the white and the green with the green. Once the power side of the equation is completed, you fold the wires back into the fold and you connect the low voltage lines that controls the solenoid valve. One side of the line will go into the zone number, the hot side, and the other side will go into the white bracket. Once everything's wired up, you pull the plastic tab on the battery, and turn the power back on. Alright, so we've turned it on, activated the main power, and we're gonna start it through the manual mode.
We're going to do again, all stations, 1 minute. This should go to the next zone, which is right here.
Yeah, kill it. So there it is. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or concerns, leave me a comment below. And please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.